Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide FLH 80, $5,500, Dublin, Virginia. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide FLH 80 represents the classic shovelhead touring era that helped define long-distance American motorcycling. Known for its comfortable riding position, distinctive styling, and unmistakable V-twin sound, the Electra Glide remains one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable motorcycles. These late 1970s touring models continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Harley character and road trip capability. This example is equipped with an S&S carburetor and is reported to run and ride. The seller notes that the engine was rebuilt by a previous owner and includes several original components, such as the seat, fairing, King Tour Pack, windshield, bumper, and console. For someone seeking an affordable shovelhead with restoration potential, this Electra Glide offers a solid starting point and plenty of classic Harley appeal. Number 2. 1979 Kawasaki KZ400, $2,300, Manassas, Virginia. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ400 is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that earned a reputation for reliability, ease of ownership, and enjoyable everyday performance. During the late 1970s, models like the KZ400 helped introduce many riders to motorcycling, while providing dependable transportation and classic styling that still looks appealing today. Showing only 5,000 miles, this Burgundy example is described as being in beautiful condition and well cared for throughout its life. Recent updates include a new battery and master cylinder, while the seller reports that it starts on the first kick and rides beautifully. With a clean title and strong chrome presentation, this KZ400 appears ready for regular riding and weekend cruising. Number 3. 1971 Triumph TR6C, $3,800, Boyertown, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph TR6C began as a rugged, single-carb British twin designed for versatility and everyday usability. Over time, many TR6 models were upgraded with Bonneville performance components, creating motorcycles that blended traditional Triumph styling with stronger performance and enhanced rider enjoyment. These classic British twins remain favorites among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This motorcycle has been converted into a high-pipe Bonneville-style machine with a dual-carb head, Wassel carburetors, electronic ignition, modern charging components, and an external oil filter. The seller reports that it starts easily, runs great, and needs nothing before being enjoyed on the road. Good tires and a strong running engine complete this attractive vintage Triumph package. Number 4. 1974 Yamaha TX650, $3,500, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Yamaha TX650 helped establish Yamaha as a serious competitor in the large displacement motorcycle market. Featuring a parallel twin engine inspired by classic British motorcycles but backed by Japanese reliability, the TX650 became the foundation for the highly respected XS650 series that continues to enjoy a loyal following today. According to the seller, this motorcycle is a great runner and rider that currently serves as a daily use machine. Recent maintenance includes new tires, brakes, and various additional service items that help keep the bike road-ready. For riders seeking a dependable vintage twin with classic styling and proven reliability, this TX650 presents an appealing opportunity. Number 5. 1983 BMW R100, $5,500, Westerly, Rhode Island. The 1983 BMW R100 showcases the Boxer twin design that helped make BMW one of the most respected names in motorcycling. Known for comfort, durability, and long-distance touring capability, R100 models remain highly desirable among riders who appreciate classic German engineering and motorcycles built to cover serious mileage. This example has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including engine work, Michelin tires, upgraded suspension components, stainless exhaust, electronic ignition, Mikuni carburetors, and a higher output charging system. With many key mechanical areas already addressed and approximately 45,600 miles showing, this R100 appears well prepared for continued riding and touring adventures. Number 6. 1976 Honda CB550K, $3,000, Brookville, Maryland. The 1976 Honda CB550K remains one of the most respected middleweight motorcycles of the 1970s. Powered by Honda's smooth inline-4 engine, the CB550 earned a reputation for reliability, comfortable road manners, and timeless styling. Today, these motorcycles are popular among collectors and riders who appreciate classic Japanese engineering without sacrificing everyday usability. This example has reportedly been owned by the seller for more than 15 years and is described as needing nothing before hitting the road. The inline-4 engine is said to run exceptionally well, while a new battery and functioning brakes help keep it ready for regular use. Original paint with honest patina and the original chrome exhaust system add to the bike's vintage character and appeal. Number 7. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $3,500, Mantua, Ohio. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster comes from the celebrated Ironhead era, a period known for producing motorcycles with unmistakable American character and strong customization potential. These classic Sportsters continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their simple mechanical design, distinctive styling, and deep roots in Harley-Davidson history. This custom example is equipped with electric start and is reported to run and drive great. According to the seller, the engine has been rebuilt, with more than $10,000 invested in the project over time. Finished in orange and customized throughout, this Sportster offers the kind of old-school personality that continues to make vintage Harley-Davidsons popular among riders and collectors alike. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS450, $1,800, Hadley, Massachusetts. The 1982 Suzuki GS450 is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that earned a reputation for dependable performance and rider-friendly handling. Models from the GS series helped Suzuki build a strong presence in the street motorcycle market during the late 1970s and early 1980s, and they remain popular platforms for custom builds today. This example has been transformed into a scrambler and cafe-inspired machine while retaining practical road-going manners. The seller reports that it runs fantastic and features rebuilt carburetors, nearly new vintage-style tires, tracker handlebars, a new seat, and a custom exhaust system. A transferable registration and service records binder add further value to this well-presented custom Suzuki. Number 9. 1972 BSA Lightning A70 Trackmaster, $8,000, Warrington, Pennsylvania. The 1972 BSA Lightning A70 Trackmaster is one of the most interesting motorcycles associated with the final years of BSA production. Built in limited numbers to satisfy AMA racing requirements, the A70 has become a highly sought-after model among collectors who appreciate rare British motorcycles and racing history. This example is powered by an engine reportedly built by respected specialist Earl Bowlby, with documentation included by the seller. The engine is described as one of only 200 produced for AMA racing eligibility, adding significant historical interest. With approximately 500 miles showing and strong collector appeal, this Trackmaster stands out as a rare opportunity for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 10. 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim, $2,200, Winchester, Virginia. The 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim helped define the universal Japanese motorcycle category during the early 1980s. Known for smooth four-cylinder performance, comfortable ergonomics, and dependable reliability, the Maxim became a favorite among riders looking for a practical motorcycle that could handle both commuting and weekend rides. This blue example is described as being in excellent condition and has received several important maintenance updates. The seller notes rebuilt carburetors, fresh oil and filter, a new battery, adjusted valves, and new spark plugs. Combined with a Saddlemen seat and clear title, this XJ650 appears ready to continue serving as an enjoyable classic rider. Number 11. 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 XLH, $3,500, Oxford, Connecticut. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 XLH comes from an important period in Sportster history, representing one of the final years of the four-speed transmission and chain drive setup. These motorcycles are appreciated for their classic Harley feel, straightforward mechanical design, and strong connection to the brand's long-running Sportster legacy. Enthusiasts often seek out these late 1980s models for their blend of vintage character and everyday rideability. This example features a two-tone red and white paint scheme with knucklehead-inspired graphics and an S&S carburetor. The seller reports that it runs, drives, shifts, and stops properly while remaining an ongoing project. For buyers looking for an affordable Evolution-era Sportster with classic styling and room for further improvement, this XLH offers plenty of potential. Number 12. 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD, $5,500, Wellsville, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD is one of the most respected muscle bikes of the late 1970s. Powered by Kawasaki's legendary inline-4 engine, the KZ1000 earned a reputation for strong performance, durability, and unmistakable road presence. Today, these motorcycles remain highly desirable among collectors and riders who appreciate classic Japanese superbikes. Number 13. 1978 Suzuki GS550, $1,250, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1978 Suzuki GS550 helped establish Suzuki as a serious competitor in the growing four-cylinder motorcycle market. Known for dependable performance, easy maintenance, and balanced handling, the GS550 remains a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. These motorcycles continue to offer an enjoyable riding experience while remaining affordable compared to many larger classics. This example has undergone restoration work and is described as being in great condition overall. A mechanic reportedly inspected the motorcycle during the restoration process, and it now features a new battery along with several unique factory features. Although new tires are recommended, the bike is said to start reliably and remains an appealing option for riders seeking a practical vintage machine. Number 14. 1970 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide, $12,000, Doylestown, Ohio. The 1970 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide represents a classic chapter in American touring motorcycle history. Built during the Shovelhead era, these large displacement Harley-Davidsons became known for their comfort, long-distance capability, and unmistakable styling. Decades later, Electra-Glides from this period remain highly sought after by collectors and riders who appreciate traditional Harley-Davidson craftsmanship.
Showing just over 52,000 miles, this red example is reported to run and ride great according to the seller. Its straightforward presentation and clean title make it an attractive candidate for someone seeking a vintage touring motorcycle that can still be enjoyed on the open road. The timeless styling and strong Harley heritage continue to make these machines stand out.
Number 15. 1978 Honda CB550K4, $800, Westlake, Ohio. The 1978 Honda CB550K4 remains one of Honda's most respected middleweight motorcycles. Featuring a smooth inline-4 engine and excellent reliability, the CB550 earned a loyal following among riders who wanted everyday usability combined with classic styling. Even today, these motorcycles remain popular restoration candidates thanks to their strong parts support and enduring reputation. This example is currently a non-running project, but appears to have several positives working in its favor. The seller notes that a blown fuse was identified after an electrical issue, while the motorcycle also benefits from new tires. It has been sitting for some time and will require a battery and carburetor cleaning, making it a potentially affordable project for vintage Honda enthusiasts.